Hey guys, how are you today? Welcome to our channel Auto Parts Expert. Today I want to share some secrets about the cabin filter. Usually the cabin filter divided into the white fiber cabin filter and the active carbon air conditioning filter, and the last one is the carbon high efficiency air conditioning filter. Our company have 4 kinds of the raw materials, such as the non-woven fabric and the 3 layers carbon cloth, and this is the 5 layers carbon cloth, and the last one carbon fiber. We use the important coconut shell carbon raw materials, and it can absorb odors in the car and purify the air in the car. The filter can filter PM2.5 and harmful gases in the car to protect our health. So if you want to know more about the auto parts information, please follow my channel in the Alibaba.com. Please remember our channel Auto Parts Expert. Bye bye.